Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made simple and learning is made fun.
Welcome to ESL Class 101. Let's begin our discussion. Read and analyze these sentences. As you can see, all these sentences describe repeated past actions, so we use the past simple with each one. Typically, the past simple is the preferred choice when talking about repeated actions in the past. Now, listen to this dialogue between Dave and Saper. Did you clean your car yesterday?
Yes, I did. In fact, I washed it twice yesterday.
Cool, you made sure it was super clean.
I'm always like that. I tend to do things multiple times. For example, this morning I brushed my teeth 3 times.
Really? Now, listen to another conversation between Saper and Dave. Where were you last week?
My aunt was hospitalized, and I was visiting her every day last week.
I see. How's your aunt now?
She's doing well now.
Notice that Saper used the past continuous to describe what she was doing repeatedly last week. We often use the past continuous, especially in spoken English, when we want to emphasize that repeated actions occurred over a limited, temporary period in the past. However, if you prefer, you can still use the past simple. To illustrate this further, consider these examples. I was reviewing all of our past lessons for a month to perfect my test performance. Or, I reviewed all of our past lessons for a month to ensure I was well prepared for the test. Miss Thailand wasn't eating any sweets for 6 months to lose weight before the final competition. Or, she didn't eat any sweets. Did you know that we can also use the past continuous to describe something that happens surprisingly often? Consider these examples. Last week, our boss gave us a lot of work to finish, so I was having to work overtime every day just to get it all done. Or, last week, our boss gave us a lot of work to finish, so I had to work overtime every day just to get it all done. When our relatives visited us a month ago, I was entertaining them all the time. Or, I entertained them all the time.
I exercised every morning when I was in college. During the summer I spent at college, I was exercising every morning as part of my routine.
In the past continuous example, the emphasis is on the temporary nature of that summer period during which the repeated actions occurred.
She cooked dinner every evening last month. Last month, while she was staying in a new apartment, she was cooking dinner every evening.
Here, using the past continuous adds a sense of an ongoing activity within that temporary lifestyle change.
We visited our grandparents every weekend. When we lived in the countryside, we were visiting our grandparents every weekend, making the most of our free time.
The past continuous highlights the background setting and the regularity of the visits during that specific period.
He emailed his boss every day to update him on the project. During the hectic project week, he was emailing his boss continuously to keep him updated.
Notice how the continuous form stresses the sustained, ongoing nature of the action during that high-pressure period. That's it for today. In our next session, we'll delve into more advanced applications of the past simple and past continuous. Looking forward to exploring these with you.